Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Muskan Chaudhary. Today's video I'm going to show you how I create this look, and the interesting thing is about this makeup look is that I'm going to use all the product from one brand, which is my favorite brand, Sugar Cosmetics. It is a full face sugar cosmetic look, so yeah, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. First I am using Aquaholic Priming Moisturizer. Then I am using a Drop the Base Serum Foundation in shade 17 Rev and applying it all over my face. And I am just blending all this using the beauty blender. Now I am using Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer in the shade number 12 Cappuccino, which is a shade lighter than my skin, and I am using it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, etc. Now blending all this slowly. Now to set all the base, I am using this All Set to Go translucent powder and applying it all over my face. For contouring, I am using my Face Power Contour Stick in the shade 02. And contour my cheekbone, forehead and nose. Then blending. Using Contour the Force palette in the shade number 02 Vivid Factory and taking the blush. Using Arch Arrival Brow Definer in the shade number 02 Taupe to fill my brows. using Matching Wand Waterproof Concealer in the shade number 12 Cappuccino. I'm taking the Sugar Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl in the shade number 05 Black Magic and apply it all over my eyelid and blend it. For the crease, I am taking Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in the shade 03 Fantasy. I am taking this shade and applying it only the crease area and blending the both together really nicely. Now for the Kajal, I am using this Twist and Short Fadeproof Kajal in the shade number 01 Black Velvet. Using this color for my lower lash line. Finish the eyes, I am taking the Uptown Girl Lengthening Mascara in the shade 01 Black Beauty and applying in the upper as well as the lower lash line. The red color from the Smudge Me Not Liquid lipstick in the shade number 01. Fixing all of this with the Grand Final SPF 30 setting mist and letting it dry and set on the face. Then moving on to my most favorite part, which is highlighting, and taking it Contour Diffuse Mini Highlighter in the shade 04 Royal Rose and apply it on the high points of my face just like this. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.